Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة النساء ألم تر إلى الذين يزكون أنفسهم بل الله يزكي من يشاء ولا يظلمون فتيلا. Translation: Have you not seen them who praise themselves for their own purity, sanctity? No, rather Allah purifies whom He wills, and they will not be wronged even slightest as hair of the date seed. The Jews had a philosophy that they think themselves as very clean, as very pure, and having sanctity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has corrected them in this ayah, and the claim of the Jew that we are the chosen people of the Lord is not the correct one in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In Surah Maida, there is a mention of the saying of Jew that we are like the sons of Allah, and we are very, very dear to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jews believe that they are different than the other human beings, and the other human beings who are non-Jews are goyim or Gentiles. They look like humans, but they are not humans, and the Jews have the right to take advantage of non-Jews, and they can even deceive them, and they can even take their wealth, and there will not be any questioning from Allah on this attitude. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has negated their thought, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly said in this ayah that this is Allah who will purify whomever He wills, and claiming oneself that they are purified is a wrong attitude, because this is an attitude of arrogance, and arrogance is a very big sin. Also, only Allah knows that who will end up as a pure person, and one must not claim himself purified. And also, the people who claim that they are pure and purified, the other people may get the idea that they are free from any weakness or free from any sin, which is not true. So this attitude is prohibited in Islam, to claim oneself or to claim someone else purified. Only the prophets are purified and innocent. All other humans are sinful, and Allah knows about their sins. The Jews did the kufr, that they rejected Islam and they rejected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran, and yet they call themselves purified, and they will end up in the hellfire. And this going in the hellfire will not be any injustice to them. They deserve it, and they will not be wronged even slightest as a hair of the date seed, which is known as fatila in Arabic language. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Unzur kayfa yaftaruna ala Allahi kazib wa kafa bihi ithman mubina. Translation: See how they forge lies against Allah, and that is a sufficient in itself to be an evident sin. Meaning that they are claiming to be pious while they are not pious and purified, and they claim that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is liking them, and this is forging a lie against Allah, because Allah does not like whoever is doing the kufr and whoever is doing the shirk, and the Jews are doing both of these big sins. So calling them Allah's favorite is a big sin, and this is an evident sin. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.